What is that noise, Waddle? It's the fireworks. Look, I can see them all the way over there. Yeah, look at them blow up. I'm going back in. Hey guys, let's go on the seafront. There's better view there, instead of just standing in the middle of the road like idiots. Much like... Hey guys, seriously, we came all this way just to see some fireworks. There's some up there now, a little. Oh, for frick's sake, we missed the fireworks. That was okay, but at least we got some of them on camera. Yeah. I guess that was the worst night of our lives. Yeah. Oh, you missed the fireworks, huh? Yeah, we did. We only saw them on the road. It's better than nothing, though. I hate to say it, but I think we should put on our own firework performance. Yeah, that's a good idea, Freddy. Thank you. Thank you. Don't mention it. Should have thought about that a lot sooner. We have to go in the front yard. Right. Right, guys. I think this may be the best night of our lives. Yeah. Look, I think Dog's coming to watch the fireworks too. Right, I'm going to launch the firework ray. Should I launch more? Yeah. Right guys, I'll launch a few more and that's it. Okay? Right, let's go in now. Yeah. I think becoming from the worst day of our life became one of the best days of our life. Yeah. That was one of the most fun firework performances I've ever seen and the only one I filmed. Yeah.